Welcome everyone to another video. I'm sure that after watching this video, each one of you guys who is watching this video, you have to wake up and make sure that you are doing every possible thing. Yes, that's what I had put on the screen here. You can see do every possible thing. Why? Okay, why? Because yes, MBA, the degree that you're going to go for now, you will only go it for once. You will do MBA for once in your life. It's not something that you will have another chance after doing MBA. You will again do an MBA. No one does that. Okay, no one does that. Everyone is going to do MBA in his or her life for one time only. And whatever college, okay, whichever college that you're going to go for, that college name is going to be with you for your life. Understand, guys? Now I want to make sure that people who are serious for this preparation, okay, they should be the one they would want themselves to be branded. You should be, I can give you an example of, when I was working in Deloitte and I was just in touch with my HR regarding some hiring. And they said that, okay, these are the candidates who have applied. And one of those candidates, okay, was from one of the premium institutions. Okay, probably he was from IIM or something. So what did the HR say? कि बाकी लोग को हम देखते हैं but ये बंदे को definitely बुलाओ. Okay, like just call this guy. Why? Okay, because he belonged from that particular institute. IIM tag was there, and definitely, guys, that matters a lot. So in this video, I'm going to share with you three important things. Okay, I'm going to share with you three important things, and that should make a great impact, okay, in your preparation, which is like 2 months of time, 3 months, 4 months, depending on whatever exam that you're focusing on. But these three things that I'm going to mention to you in this video are going to be really, really important, and to make sure that you should believe on this, that you're going to put every possible thing for this degree that you're going for. Now, going ahead, please do subscribe to the YouTube channel, okay? Because if you have come to our channel for the first time, because we have 8 p.m. If you see, you have every day 8 p.m. We have live lectures coming in. You can see those live lectures, okay, and attend those aptitude sessions as well. And also follow us on Instagram because we have daily current affairs, MBA alerts coming on Instagram platform as well. Now, this is one thing which is a very basic thing, right? A lot of successful people have actually told this before, that efforts are more important than results. I see a lot of times, okay, when I talk to people in my personal mentoring sessions, that they are really demotivated, okay, they are not getting the results with regards to the mocks and all of that. Understand, your mock score is not going to give you that admission letter, okay? Your mock score is only a step towards your preparation, and your mock is nothing but an effort that you are taking, and the effort is very important, okay? Because if you keep on taking that, okay, if you keep on taking that, only then you can assure of the results that you are taking, okay, you're expecting. Because if at all you're doing your preparation, okay, your effort is not, in fact, I'll send you, share this, honest and dedicated effort. Because when I go a little ahead, okay, what kind of effort? Honest and dedicated. A lot of time when I'm discussing, people say that, no sir, I did that but I did not get an answer and left it. Understand, if you are leaving it, you are leaving it for yourself, okay? There are other people who are pushing, they are putting their honest and dedicated effort, guys. That is going to only show you the results, okay, because this is a very genuine thing, that honest and dedicated effort, okay, has always shown results. I don't know whether you will land up in an IM or not, you will go into SPJ or not, but whichever college you go, okay, that is a college, okay, that is because you have put in a genuine and honest dedicated effort, okay. And in fact, that's what I'm going to tell you, that it is not that the college, okay, definitely the college is a great thing, okay, to start your career. But apart from that, okay, obviously people will say that, sir, college से क्या होता है, हम IIM में नहीं गए तो भी हम successful हो सकते हैं. I mean, my answer to those kind of people is very simple, okay. I know that, okay, that there is no way that I can assure you that, okay, I am chale gaye to tum successful banoge. But point is this, look at the probability, right? I have hardly found anyone, in fact I have not found anyone who is from any of the top colleges and who is not successful in his life. I have not seen that. But yes, I've seen a lot of other people who are not from these colleges, okay, and they are not that great successful in their career. So what we see, that if you are putting this effort for your preparation right now, and you make sure that you get into any of the good colleges, any of the top 30, 40 colleges that you're getting into, I can assure you one thing, that yes, people from those colleges have definitely achieved success in their life. So why don't you want to have that? So definitely you will have to, remove all those negative thoughts, okay. Do not talk to yourself that, no, I am nahi gaye to main successful nahi banunga types and all that. Understand, leave all that thought. Your job is this. Today what are you doing? Okay, you have to put your honest dedicated effort, and that has always shown you results. Now the crucial and the most important thing, This is what I believe. Okay, this is something that I personally believe in my life. Kill your regrets, or your regrets will kill you. Okay, this is really, really important, because understand, okay, whenever, like, say for example, Jan, okay, when you will have your CAT results out, or whichever exam that you're giving NMAT, okay, whenever the NMAT results are out, on that day, looking at the scorecard, if you get a feeling of regret, okay, if you have a feeling of regret where you think that you could have done better, I did not do good, okay, I should have done more, okay, this is something that sir told me and I didn't do that. Okay, these are things which I was not able to do. If you have that feeling of regret, definitely your regret is going to kill you, guys. The regret is going to kill you. Okay, so that do not have regret, okay, in your heart at all, okay, and then on the day of your results, on the day of your scorecard that comes in your hand, that day, whatever result comes in your hand, okay, you should be of that opinion that no, this is the best that I could have done, and this is the best that I got scored. Okay, so be it you get IM, you don't get IM, I don't care about it, but what I care about it is that your honest effort, honest dedicated effort should be there, and that is something that is going to definitely show you the results. Okay, you will definitely, if you have put honest dedicated effort, I'm sure you are not going to face any regrets. Okay, you're not going to face any regrets in your life, but make sure, okay, make sure that the honest dedicated effort is happening, guys. Make it happen, make it happen. Okay, this is what I'm going to say again and again, and all the best with that note. Okay, I am sure you guys are preparing really hard, okay, clearing your doubt, okay, getting in touch with the mentors. Okay, so please keep on pushing. That is the mantra for these crucial days. Okay, and if you have anything for me, okay, you can definitely comment down there. Okay, I can reply back to your comments there. Please do like the video, share it with your friends so that they also are motivated and putting in their honest dedicated effort. Okay, so that no one should have the feeling of regret, okay, on the day of their results. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching the video.